For phonics today, we are working on I can read CK words. Anytime there is CK together, usually at the end of a word, not always, but usually, it makes the k sound. So your job is going to be to drag and drop the pictures to the correct words. So you'll read the 8 words and then find the picture that matches and drag it and drop it. So let's take a look at the pictures and identify the pictures. Duck, rock, clock. This is a word where the CK is not at the end, it's in the middle. Ticket, knock, check, backpack. That's a compound word and it has 2 CK sounds in it. And lock. So my turn, your turn. Duck, rock, clock, ticket, knock, check, backpack, lock. When you are done dragging and dropping the pictures, please press the X and the blue turn-in button.